Today was a preliminary hearing on the murder of Troy LaFerrara, the two Barbers hearings. The standard at a preliminary hearing is very low. We have to show that a crime was committed and that these are the likely persons that committed the crime. We met that burden. The case will now be filed at Northumberland County Court and proceed from there.
Do you plan to go for the death penalty?
The death penalty notice, if there is a death penalty sought, has to be filed at the time the information is filed. We will review the case to determine if there are aggravating circumstances present. If we find that there's sufficient evidence of aggravating circumstances, we will file a notice for death penalty.
Is there any way these two will be tried together?
We will also file a notice of joinder at the time the informations are filed. That indicates that it's our desire to do the trials together. That will be up to a judge. I'm sure there'll be a hearing to sever the offenses or the defendants for trial. That'll be up to the court to make a ruling.
Attorney Greco brought up spousal privilege. What kind of challenges will this present?
Not a lot. Spousal privilege has to do with confidential communications between spouses, but it does not include observations. That is, if one spouse sees another person do something, that is not privileged information in a homicide case. It may be in other types of cases. There's an exception in the privilege for homicide cases.